Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My setting is a little bit different. I'm in my really modern and updated office. I know, it's really impressive. Please don't be jealous, you guys, but it's been really hard to find the time to film, so I am filming real quick while I have a second here, and today's video is the Dollar Tree Addict tag. I was tagged by two of my favorite channels. Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner tagged me first, and then Felicia from Miss Fee Marie. So I'm going to link their videos below in case you want to go check them out. And I'll also have to link below whoever the creator of this tag is because I actually don't know. So yeah, also, you guys have never seen my natural hair before. This is it in all of its frizzy glory. It's frizzy hair season, y'all, so it's gonna be 80 degrees today. I'm so excited, and I have my fake tan on and I'm freaking loving it. It's amazing. So let's jump into these questions. The first question is, how often do you go to Dollar Tree? And I would say at least 2 times a week. I know that's a little bit like, that's a lot for the normal average non-Dollar Tree addict. However, I have one about a mile away from where I live, and I have to pass it on the way to work, and then I come home for lunch every single day, so I pass it on the way home, on the way back to work, and then on the way home at the end of the day. And we get a lot of our just like normal household stuff there, so I'm there probably 2 times a week. And also, if I'm on the hunt for something, I am there every single day. Am I ashamed about that? Yes and no, but I don't care. Question number 2 is, what is your favorite item to purchase from Dollar Tree? And it has to be, hands down, without question, the fall and the Christmas decor. I lived for that, you guys. That's how I actually started shopping at Dollar Tree. Before I was on my own, I was still at the parents' nest, and I met Jose, and I was spending so much time at his apartment. Him and his roommate could care less about decorating for the seasons, and my family, we're all huge decorators. You guys have probably seen some of my parents' home tours that I've posted during the holidays. And so when I was spending the holidays at Jose's apartment, I was like, I can't, this doesn't feel like Christmas, it doesn't feel like fall. Can I decorate? And he's like, yeah, you can put a few things up. So you know, classic girl style, you don't really live there, but you make the place your own. That's exactly what I did. But I just went to Dollar Tree because I didn't want to spend a lot of money on decorating somebody else's place. I mean, it was like my place. In my head, it was my place. But anyways, that's how I got started shopping at Dollar Tree, and every year their seasonal decor gets better and better and better, and I am so stoked, so excited for the fall stuff to come back around. Little tip to you guys, they usually put their seasonal stuff online about a month before it comes into stores, even 2 months for Christmas. So if you start looking towards the end of June, you will see the fall stuff before it hits the stores, so you know what to look out for. And same with Christmas. The Christmas stuff I think probably goes up in September. And it could be earlier even. So I kind of personally stalk the Dollar Tree website looking for those things. Question number 3 is, what day does your local Dollar Tree get its inventory? You guys may be surprised to know that I have no clue. I really don't know. I've never asked because I'm in there like every few days, like every 3 or 4 days I'm in there. So I've never thought to ask because my Dollar Tree, the one closest to me at least, isn't like a high traffic store. For example, the macarons are still there, the little trinket dishes are still there. Everything that's good that comes to that store hangs out for a while, so I've never thought to ask about the delivery date. Question number 4 is, do you shop at Dollar Tree more than Target and Walmart? Yes, I do. I don't really have a Target that's that close to me that I just frequent it that often. I'm like smack dab in the middle of 2 Targets that are about 15 minutes in opposite directions. So I am hardly ever at Target, although I would die if I lived near a Target. Like, that would be a dream come true. Walmart is just as close as Dollar Tree to me, and store. Walmart's basically like a zoo. I think most Walmarts are. Jose tries to avoid it at all costs. We will go somewhere like out of our way to avoid Walmart just because of him. I don't care. So yes, we do go to Dollar Tree more than both of those places. Question number 5 is, how long have you gone without shopping at Dollar Tree? I'm assuming this means since I've been a Dollar Tree addict, and I would say probably like 2 or 3 weeks. You know, after the holidays you get a little burnt out. I don't care as much about Valentine's Day and Easter and that kind of stuff, so during those times I'll chill out. Or over the summer, probably won't be going to Dollar Tree as much in like May and June, but we'll see. So 2 to 3 weeks max, probably since the past year or year and a half. Question number 6 is, do you shop at more than one Dollar Tree? Yes, I have probably like 5 or 6 in my general area. And by general area, I mean like 15 minutes or so. And my favorite one is pretty far away. Most of the time when you see me haul good stuff, it comes from there. So it's on another side of town, but I will make a trip out there because there are other stores, like Target is over there. Our Hobby Lobby and Michael's and all that is over there. So that's my favorite store. Also, my parents live very close to 2 good stores, so whenever I visit them, I'll stop in their stores. So yeah, I'd probably go to 5 or 6. Question number 7 is, do you wear makeup from Dollar Tree? Yes and no. For a while, no. Of course, when brand name stuff comes in, I might give it a try. But I'm not a huge makeup person anyways. Like right now I'm wearing a lot of makeup for my everyday, and you guys probably see me in videos with like a full beat on my face, but I really like doing makeup. I just don't make a lot of time for it. So when I film a video and I know I'm going to be filming, I'll make time to do my makeup because it's fun for me. But on an everyday basis, I wear some concealer, some powder to set it, and mascara basically, and maybe a little bit of bronzer. But that's why I don't buy a ton of Dollar Tree makeup. But I have recently purchased like a lip gloss from LA Colors that I really, really like. And there might have been a thing or two else. I just bought some lip liners from LA Colors. I have worn one of them one time. You guys might have seen it in a video. I tried to overline my lips Kylie Jenner style. But then I went like this, like in the very beginning of the video, and rubbed it off. And so I went the whole video with like my lips like 2 different sizes. But yeah, so I guess I do wear a few things, or I at least will try some things out, but not on an everyday basis. The next question is, do you have a favorite food item from Dollar Tree? And what isn't my favorite food from anywhere is what I want to know. That's the better question. But you guys know I recently started a ketogenic way of eating, and there's not a lot from Dollar Tree that you can get that's keto. So there's not anything whole and like healthy that's keto at Dollar Tree, not a single thing, unless you know of something besides like frozen veggies or something like that. Let me know. But now I will sometimes, if I'm like desperate for something to eat and I'm at Dollar Tree, I'll get like the skinny Slim Jim Jack Links. Dollar Tree carries a bunch of different kinds. You have to look for the Jack Link one, and they have a spicy version, which is good. I think it has 2 carbs for like the whole thing that's like this big. So I guess that's my new favorite from Dollar Tree. But I used to love all of the candy and the long Rice Krispie treats. Oh, I so wish I could have one of those right now. Question number 9 is, do you know the Dollar Tree employees by name? And no, I don't. Actually, the Dollar Tree employees at the Dollar Tree closest to me, I think they kind of hate their lives, or me. One or the other. But they never really seem like they want to be there, and I just kind of feed off of other people's energies. I can be really, really outgoing, and I can be really, really introverted. It just depends on what kind of energy you put out to me, and that just kind of stems from me being a little bit shy. I need to kind of feel your vibe before I put mine out there, and I don't ever want to annoy anybody, although I think I annoy people in my videos all the time. So they just kind of don't give me good vibes, so I don't know them by first name and they don't know me by first name. But of course, when I go in there, I always say hi and I'm pleasant and as friendly as I can be. But a lot of times I feel like they aren't having it. And the last question, question number 10, is if you had $10 to spend at Dollar Tree, what would you buy? Easily save it until July and buy the fall decor, or save it until October and buy Christmas decor. No shame. I love that stuff. Or also, I wish I would have stocked up on that like good toilet paper that they got in. That's so weird. They had, I can't remember what the brand was, but it was like 4 rolls for $1 and it ended up being really good. And I wish I would have stocked up on like 10 of those, but I didn't. I only got 2 because I wasn't sure if it was going to be any good. And I demand good toilet paper, you guys. Demand it. You can't be having crappy toilet paper, okay? So those were all the questions from the tag. I am not going to tag anybody just because I think this tag has maybe been around for quite a while, and I don't know if it's like, if I'm even making it too late. But what I would love, I'm going to leave the questions in my description box. And if you want to answer 1, 2, all of them, I would love it if you guys would answer in the comments, because I already know who's a Dollar Tree addict here on YouTube. It's very obvious. All my girls here on YouTube, like, I know you guys are Dollar Tree addicts, but I don't know about you guys who leave comments on my videos how often you guys go and what your favorite things are to purchase, and I would just love to hear that. So don't feel obligated to answer if you don't want to. Don't feel obligated to answer more than you want also. Just any at all in the comments below. I do have a big haul coming for you guys, a couple of them, so be on the lookout for that. If you haven't hit the notification bell, definitely hit that, because a few of you have been saying that you're unsubscribed to my channel or not getting notifications about the videos. I know you guys hear every YouTuber say that, but it's just like thing that YouTube has going on that's really annoying, but whatever. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now.